Okay, so this one's going to show the new for 2024 Plague Doctor in action. He sold at Home Depot for $199. He's been sold out at most stores and online because he's pretty popular. Pretty cool prop, pretty unique. He has 3 motions. His arms move, his head moves.
This lavender in my mask is barely covering your stench. Bring me the leeches.
And his cane arm jolts forward like that. Kind of a mini jump scare.
To cure you of your ailments.
That mini jump scare with the cane is what really
another name
really got me.
What is your last wish?
This is the box he comes in. He's 7 foot tall. It says head, body, and arms move. Staff jolts forward. Motion activated. Says an infrared sensor. Has 3 sayings, and he's step pad compatible. No external speaker jack. No batteries. You know, plug in only. And no external speaker. Made by Pan Asian Creations.
There is evil here. I will rid you of it. I have seen this form of illness in another autopsy. Another soul lost. Goodbye.
I think he's pretty cool for a $199 prop. Also, when he's not active, his lights come on like that. And he has a light mode where he just sits there like this with the lights on only and the animations don't kick in. And also off with the step head. And a volume control on the control panel, and that's it. That is all to the Plague Doctor. Mine looked like a return. It was one of the last ones I could find since he was sold out, and I had to do a little doctoring on the Plague Doctor made by Pan Asian Creations. And even though he looks good, his costume is really nice, but Pan Asian doesn't make the most, I guess, robust props. And that includes this one. But all in all, for $199, I think you get a different, unique prop with a lot of motion and a mini jump scare with the cane. So anyway, one more time. Hopefully it's last saying ago.
The pestilence is here. I can sense it. Bring me your sick. It is my duty to rid the world of it. Bring me your wounded.
Alright, that's going to be it for the $199 Plague Doctor by Home Depot, Pan Asian Creations. Okay, bye.